We say we hate corruption, pero tuwing eleksyon, may tinatanggap tayong sobre. Okay lang yan, sabi nila. Tax naman natin yan. Kunin mo lang, wag mo lang iboto. But let's be honest, the moment you accept vote buying money, you've already joined the cycle you claim to hate. The money isn't free. It's an investment. Politicians don't give out cash to be kind. They do it knowing one thing. That money has to come back 50 times, 100 times, or more. So after the election, where do they get it back? From public funds, from infrastructure budgets, from flood control projects, from health, from education, services we never received properly. Hindi ka lang biktima, you became part of the math. Every envelope accepted teaches politicians one lesson. This strategy works. So they steal bigger, lie harder, and govern less. You can't claim to hate corruption while quietly financing it. If we really want change, it starts here. Stop accepting the vote-buying money. Call it out. Break the cycle. Because corruption doesn't survive on politicians alone. It survives because ordinary people keep feeding it.